Muscatine will soon be the first city in Iowa with 3D printed houses. 10 houses will be 3D printed in Muscatine next year and even more in 2024. Not only will it save time and money, but Marcy Clark found out it will also help the housing shortage. Marcy?
Yeah, Paula, right now 11,000 people drive into Muscatine County to work each day, including 25% of the school district's teachers. By 3D printing these homes, the city hopes it will help attract and retain residents. Muscatine is on its way to becoming one of the first cities in Iowa with 3D printed homes. The city hopes to print 10 houses. Their framing will be printed by a giant robot that moves on rails and prints the house layer by layer from the ground up.
That the walls of the home are printed out of concrete with a giant robot, which is weird. But otherwise, the rest of the home is built almost entirely identical to how we build our homes today. So we still need our electricians, our plumbers, our HVAC folks, our roofers, our carpenters. We still need all those people. All we're doing is replacing the framing of the home.
Using a 3D printer, the company says it can print the home's walls in about 20 hours, making construction faster and cheaper, something city officials say is beneficial given the county's shortage of homes.
We know that these homes may reduce the upfront cost of home ownership, and they will reduce related home energy costs ongoing.
Increasing the housing stock will have a positive impact on enrollment, and affordable housing provides stability to keep families here in Muscatine.
Project leaders are also partnering with Muscatine Community College by teaching students technical skills and inviting them to work on the printed homes.
We will help our students learn and practice this cutting-edge technology on site, on our own campus, and on the job sites. And we see them helping to build and finish future 3D printed homes right here at home.
And after they're finished, the homes will be marketed toward neighborhood families who are currently renting and teachers within Muscatine schools. No word yet on the price tag to potential home buyers.
All right, Marcy, interesting. Thank you. According to the 3D printing business leading this project, the technology costs 20 to 40% less than building a traditional home and reduces labor costs up to 80%.